Hi, today we'll be discussing area and perimeter of plane figures. First, we have here the square. The square has four equal sides, and the area of a square is simply s squared. The perimeter of a square is 4s. But what is perimeter? Perimeter is a continuous line that forms the boundary of a figure. Then we have here the triangle. The area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 of the base times the height, where B, base, is this, and the height is the perpendicular line from the base of the triangle. Okay, the perimeter of a triangle is simply A plus B plus C. Next, we have the rectangle. Rectangle's area is simply the length times the width. Okay? And the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2W. Okay? And then we have the trapezoid. The area of a trapezoid is given as H, the perpendicular line to its base, and multiplied to A plus B, where A is base 1 and B is base 2, divided by 2. The perimeter of a trapezoid is simply A plus B plus C plus D. And then the parallelogram. The parallelogram is a slant rectangle, right? It has an area equivalent to the rectangle, which is base times the height. This is length times the width. Okay? And the perimeter of a parallelogram is simply equal to 2A plus 2B. This is your B and this is your A. Okay? Circle. We already tackled circle. It is the area of a circle is pi r squared, where pi is a mathematical constant which represents the ratio of the diameter to its circumference. So A is equal to pi r squared, where r is the radius of the circle. And the circumference, sometimes it is referred as the perimeter of the circle. The circumference is equal to pi d, or simply 2 pi r. All this formula we'll be using in solving problems regarding closed figures. Let us start. Problem number 1. Find the perimeter and area of a square with S or side equal to 5 inches. Okay, the perimeter is equal to 4S, and that is equal to 4 times 5. That gives us 20 inches. That is the perimeter. While the area of a square is simply S squared, and that is equal to 5 squared. 5 times 5 is 25 square inches. Okay? So that is the area of the square. Now, for problem number 2, find the height of the triangle with area equal to 100 square centimeter and the base is equal to 10 centimeter. So, let us find the height. But the given is area, therefore A is equal to, let's use A equal to 1/2 of the base times the height. Okay? By cross multiplication, we have 2A equal to base times the height. And then, we need to find the height. Then H, height, is equal to 2A divided by the base. Finally, we have H equal to 2A. What is our area? It is 100 square centimeter divided by B, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, that gives us 200 divided by 10, and that is equivalent to 20 centimeters. Okay, so that is the height of the triangle. I hope you can follow. Problem number 3. A rectangular lot is 40 meters long and 15 meters wide. How much is the selling price if it is to be sold at 1,000 pesos per square meter? Okay? The property is 15 meters by 40 meters. Okay? So let us find the area of this property, which is length times the width, and that is equal to 40 times 15, and 40 times 15 is 600 square meters. That is the area of the property with 40 meters length and 15 meters width. Okay, now the price is 1,000 pesos per square meter. We are asked to find the selling price. Selling price is equal to the total area of the property times the selling price per square meter, which is 100 or 1,000 per square meters. Okay? So selling price will be 600 square meters times 1,000 pesos, okay, per square meter. Okay, so meters and meters, the unit will be peso. Okay, 600 times 1,000 is 600,000 pesos. Okay, so that is the selling price of the property to be sold at 1,000 pesos per square meter. It is 600,000 pesos. I hope you can follow. Problem number 4. Given base 1 of a trapezoid is 10 inches. Base 2 of a trapezoid is 12 inches. The area is equivalent to 220 square inches. Now, let us find the height of the trapezoid. The height of the trapezoid is the perpendicular line from the base 1 to the base 2. So that is the height of the trapezoid. For us to find the height of the trapezoid, we have A, area is equivalent to H, times B1 plus B2 divided by 2. Okay? By cross multiplication, we have 2A equal to H times B1 plus B2. Okay? Now, from here, we have H equal to, cross multiply, you have 2A divided by B1 plus B2. And H is equal to 2 times A, which is 220, divided by B1, which is 10, plus 12. And H is equal to 20 inches. That is the height of the trapezoid.